Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to see how we can use Cloudinary to upload images or documents inside our project. We're going to see how we can upload a single image or multiple image. We can use this Cloudinary widget or Cloudinary button by we can browse and we can select an image and we can open it and upload it, and within seconds it should be able to upload with a success. I'm also going to show you how we can upload documents and also zip files. We can also select a web address, for instance where our picture is located. We can also click on the camera and it's going to turn a camera and take a picture. We can also use Google Drive, Dropbox or Shutterbox. We can also upload zip files. So if you want to upload a zip file, we can select a zip file and then we can open it. And after successfully uploading our zip file, the name of the zip file is going to be shown here, and also a green tick here to show that it has been uploaded, and we can just click upload. We can also, by selecting a PDF file, then opening it, and we should see this green icon here and the name of the PDF, and you can just click done. We can also upload multiple images. By selecting the multiple images, we can select the multiple images that we want to upload. Great. And after uploading the images, they'll be shown here. We can upload more of them, or just click done. So each green icon shows that the image has been uploaded successfully. We are going to learn all this just in a short tutorial. Thank you and welcome. If you've not subscribed, consider subscribing and also liking the video. Alright, let's get started. We can start as always. You can create a folder inside your desktop. You can name it whatever you want. Then you can drag and drop inside your project. Great. And inside the terminal, we can just install Next.js. We can type npx create -next app. So we have npx create -next app at latest. Then ensure you have a dot at end to ensure that the project is installed in your folder. After correct installation, you should see a project like this, like mine here. One thing you have to make sure is that you are selecting TypeScript, but everything leave it as default. If you do it correctly, then we'll have our project here. The next thing we are going to do a cleanup. So inside this return function, you can collapse this div with the example code. We do not need the example code, therefore I'll just delete the div, and then we can create our own div here, and we can put a h3 inside, and this time we can just say, let's call it Cloudinary lesson or Cloudinary uploads. I think lessons looks good, or we're just learning Cloudinary. Great. The next thing we want to do is very simple. We just need to navigate to our website and search for Cloudinary. After searching for Cloudinary, ensure you select the first option. If you do not have an account, you can click here sign up for free. But if you have an account, you can click login. So you can sign up using your Google, or we can also create an account using our Google. I already have an account, therefore I'm just going to continue with Google. Great. After successful sign-in or login, you should see something like this. This is the dashboard, and there is a lot of functionality that we can implement. Already we have some medias already installed, or medias already inside our Cloudinary. You need to click here, and when you click here, it should take you to the dashboard. And one important thing we can see is our cloud name here. This is very important. Great. We can also see other information that we have. So we can see we are in the free plan, and also the space that has been used. By default, we have some data inside. That's why we have 2.84 used. And when you have data inside, finally it's going to show you the images, transformations, or even the videos that you have. Great. Let us go inside our browser again and search for documentation for it. So we'll just search next Cloudinary. Great. When you search for next Cloudinary, click the first one here. And we're looking at next Cloudinary specifically because we're using Next.js. Great. And we need to get started. Therefore, just click here, get started. And we have some commands here, npm install next Cloudinary. Therefore, I'm just going to copy this and paste it inside the terminal. And wait for it to install. Great. Success. After installation, we can move to the next step. The next step, or step 2, is we need to provide the Cloudinary name. If I'm going to copy this and then come inside our .env, and we need to replace this with our Cloudinary name. Great. Let us move and see. If we go back to the previous dashboard, we see that this is our cloud name. Therefore, I'm just going to copy this and paste it inside our .env. We are going to use unsigned uploads. Therefore, we are not going to use this. At the moment, that is the only configuration we need. Let us look here and on how to using next Cloudinary. So we can learn either one of these methods. So we have a couple of methods here, but let me just click the first one here, not the first one. This one, upload button here, the third one. Okay, great. And we can see we have a usage here. So we need to import cloud button and it should work like this. So when you click here, you can just import and browse that. Let us see it. But one thing we need to do is to have an upload preset. So we can just copy this code here, copy it, and then move inside our page.tsx, and then we can just paste it. We can call our upload preset or cloud upload button inside our return function. So we can just call it inside this div. We need to create an upload preset. We have not created any upload preset, but let us just look at it in our browser. We first need to ensure that our server is running by just typing npm run dev. Great. And you can see our server is running on localhost 3000. You can just click it or you can copy inside your browser. Before we copy it inside our browser, we can just include here use client, since this is going to be a client component. Great. After opening our browser, allow me to zoom it here. We can see we have this upload here button. So when I click this, you can see we can select files. But at the moment, it should not work because we do not have an upload preset. I'll show you how to create an upload preset, but this one is just for demonstration purpose. For example, when I click browse, I can select any image and then I can click copy. But it should say an error because we do not have an upload preset. So it's trying to upload to Cloudinary, but let us see. Right, as expected, we have a message here. Let me zoom it. Upload preset not found. Great. Let me show you how to create an upload preset so that it can work. One thing you want to ensure is that this is the Cloudinary documentation that you have just signed in. And this is next Cloudinary documentation for using with Next.js. Ensure they are side by side. I'm going to move inside Cloudinary documentation, main Cloudinary documentation. This one is the first one that we started with. And then you can just click here, go to API keys. Great, you should see a dashboard like this. Then you can move here inside your upload. Now, I had already some upload preset, but yours should be empty if it is your first time. Then click on add an upload preset. Great, we can give it a name. So this one is going to be, I'm going to name it code with Daniel. Great. And this one is not going, we have two modes, which is signed or unsigned. So the first one is unsigned. For unsigned uploads, we do not need the API keys. We just need the cloud name. ensure that it is unsigned, and you can just leave it everything as default and click save. After successfully creating an upload preset, you should see the name here. Great. Therefore, we can just copy the name of this upload preset, and then go back inside our code, and we can just paste it here inside the upload preset. So I can copy the upload preset here and paste it here. Then we can now try to upload something inside Cloudinary. Great. Now let us test it out. I'll zoom it out again as always, then click on upload. And this time we can click on files, or you can even upload using a web address. You can upload using a picture. When I click on the camera here, it should open my picture. And you can also upload from your Google Drive or Dropbox, Shutterstock, Getty Images. There are a lot of options here that you can upload from. But let me just use the native file upload. I'll click on file, then I'm going to browse. Then I can select any of the images. For example, I can select that, and then just let us see if it's going to upload. We have provided the right upload preset, so it should upload. Great. And you can see we do not have any errors, and we can just click done. So it has uploaded. Now, when we move inside our Cloudinary documentation, main Cloudinary documentation is here. This one here. We can go back inside the home. When we move inside home and then select media library, we should see the image that we have just uploaded. This is the image that I've just uploaded. Great. And that's how you upload using Unsigned upload. Unsigned is very easy. You just need your cloud name and your upload preset. Now, can we upload a PDF? Great. Yes, we can upload a PDF, but we have to ensure that we have enabled the setting for the PDF. Let us see how we can upload a PDF or a document or even multiple images. First, let us test using multiple images and see whether we can upload multiple images. We'll go back inside our browser. And this time when we click the button, I'm going to select multiple images. Therefore, you can just click control, and then you can select multiple images and then click on open. Great. We can upload multiple images. As you can see, we have an array of images here, and we can cancel any of the image that we want. Great. It has uploaded all the images, and if you can just click here, done. But if you want to upload more images, you can click also here, upload more images. So we can upload a single image or multiple images. Let me just click done, and then if we move back inside our Cloudinary, we should see all the images here. So I'm going to refresh. Great. And we can see the images that I've just uploaded right now. So I've shown you how to upload a single image and multiple images using Unsigned uploads. To enable PDF uploads, move here inside security, and you click security, and then you can just click here, allow PDF delivery of PDF and zip files. So we can provide also PDF and zip files. So I'll click on this, and then I can just click save. Then click on accept. If we go back inside our browser, then we can try and upload a zip file or a PDF file. Great. I'm going to select this PDF and then click open. And you can see the name of the PDF file here, and it is a success since we have a blue tick here. Then we can just click done, and we have actually uploaded the PDF. I'm going to show you the PDF just in a while. Also, let us try and upload a zip file. This is a zip file. Therefore, I'm going to select it and then click on open. Then I can just click done, and we have successfully uploaded a zip file and also a PDF file. And when we move inside our media library, we should see the PDF here and also the zip file here.